Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today I would like to share an important learning topic with you. First of all, I want to introduce myself. This is Ziyadul Islam Al-Rafi in front of you. The important topic is the correct pronunciation of the 7 days of the week. Alright, okay, let's get started. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, শনিবার, Sunday, রবিবার, Monday, সোমবার, Tuesday, মঙ্গলবার, Wednesday, বুধবার, Thursday, বৃহস্পতিবার, Friday, শুক্রবার. Alhamdulillah, you have understood.